Hi, thanks again for joining us at Essential RC. Today we're doing another RC car little project. So this is the Tamiya 1/10 scale Mk.Ii Ford Escort Classic. Really nice kit, this one, and it is a kit. You do have to assemble everything. You have to build the chassis, the shocks. The body does come painted, but it does not have any of the decals on. And you'd be surprised how long the decals take to apply. It took me almost as long to apply the decals as it did to build the chassis, but looks fantastic as an end result. I've also added an interior kit as well, some drivers in there, painted those up nice just to give it a bit of scale detail, added some lights, upgraded to oil damp shocks, as it does come with friction shocks which bounce it around a bit, doesn't look quite right, and a couple of other little touches like an exhaust, proper wiper blades and some lights. Should point out as well, doesn't come with the servo or batteries or receiver or transmitter. I've provided these myself, but it does come with the motor and the speed controller.
So what happened there, Carl?
Sliding sideways, got a stone lodged in the wheel. It's quite common with the small RCs. Yeah, just got it out and got it spinning again.
Cool, let's go again.
Yep. So there we go, absolute brilliant fun, this little car. Handles really quite well. I should point out as well, I am running it on a 2S LiPo. You can run it on a nickel metal hydride as well, but I like that little bit more punch you get from the LiPo. So I'm running it on a 2-cell 5000 hard case LiPo. So yeah, there's a lot of work putting the kit together, but also a lot of reward when it's complete. Just need to build some sort of track for it now, ideally. But yeah, there we go. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And yeah, as always, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again in the next one. Cheers.